These are all fully charged. I ran that all night long. Let's check their voltages. These are all connected, but you're going to have small gradients in them. Basically a few tens of millivolts through these thick cables. These are only, I think these are 2 gauge cables and these are 4 gauge cables. Not 2.0, but 2. That's 2 steps below 2.0. .76. So here the batteries are all connected to each other, but not connected to the charger anymore. And then I was just curious to see what the I disconnected it from the lead acid. So let's see what the float is on those. So now let's see what the float is on the lead acid. 13.76. It's the exact same voltage. So these are not connected to each other. Actually, they are. I'm going to disconnect them and see what the float difference is. Okay, so all those were with the lead acid connected. So let's see. If it adjusts it. Nope, 13.76. Let's see what the float on the lead acid is. 13.72. So pretty much the same. Now, there's all kinds of hilariously silly comments and statements like if you connect lithium ion in parallel with lead acid and they float, that somehow there'll be some charge drifting from one to the other. And that's a hilarious misunderstanding of how things work. That's not what happens. Basically, the batteries just equilibrate to the same voltage and then they just sit there. And that just means they're at slightly different potentials, or slightly different internal charges, versus being 100%. Maybe it's 99 and 96 or something. But the voltages will be the same, and no, there will not be any current continuously flowing from one battery to the other, except for based on the internal leak of whatever the leakiest battery is. Basically, current will flow into that battery from the other batteries. And in this case, that's the lead acid. So this is 1 kilowatt per pair. 1 kilowatt hour per pair. So 1, 2, 3, and C rate of 1 means 1 kilowatt max per pair. So that's capable of supporting 3 kilowatts for 3 kilowatt hours at a C rate of 1, which is well matched to that Quattro. But I'm going to put a second set of 6 batteries down there to replace these NMCs, because these are kind of inherently more dangerous.